So I'm ready. So I'm gonna put this on the cooker, just like that. Zoom up the camera straight into the pot, as you can see into the pot what I'm doing. Okay, yeah. So what you're gonna do, pour 1 cup of hot water into the pot like this. All right, just a little bit more. All right, then this is the fresh ginger. All right, this is the fresh ginger and the garlic, which we just done. You guys love Jesus, thank you so much. All right, so that's the ginger and the garlic we grate together. So we're going to let the water a little bit more hotter. All right, yeah. Thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate every one of you guys. Excellent. Yeah. All right. So this is the cloves, and that's what we're going to be using. So what you want to do, grab yourself a large tablespoon of cloves. Enough for you to be 1 tablespoon. It can be like a teaspoon. This is a tablespoon. Roughly about half tablespoon is good. Put that first thing in the water. It's going to change the color of the water. All right. Now, this is the ginger and the garlic, which we are just mix up together. Okay, we just grate at it. So we're gonna put this into the water like this. All right. Give that a mix. Now, what you wanna do, turn off your cooker and leave that heat to concentrate into the water. Okay, so we turn off the cooker right there. That's the bulk. All right, guys. Yeah. Once that jar, pour it off and drink it. Okay, before you go to bed, 15 minutes before you go to bed, or first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Okay, now, so I turn off the cooker. All right, yeah. 30 days is up to you. All right, but I'm gonna tell you, this is just a shocking recipe for a lot of you guys, which is very powerful and very effective for the immune system. We are bringing back this to you. We're bringing back this kind of spices, this kind of flavor, this kind of aroma flavor back into your house, back into your kitchen, back into your life. We want to start to use cloves. A lot of people might say they don't like the taste of it. Fair enough. If you're allergic to it, you don't have to use it. But just remember, is the benefit of the cloves, the garlic, and the ginger. What's it going to do? Number one, you're talking about, it's going to boost your immune system and also help you to reduce inflammation in your gut, fight against cold and flu. The winter is nearby coming, so you need something like this for winter. Start boost your immune system with natural ingredients and with natural stuff. That means when winter come, you know exactly, say your immune system can fight off all of that cold and that flu, which is going to be coming. All right, fantastic. Thank you so much. So guys, I want to encourage you, and I want to bring you back to these old days where you used to do these things at home. If you can get cloves to buy, go to your local supermarket, or you can get it to your health shop, or even probably online. But be careful, okay, when you're buying cloves. You don't want to get the fake one. So you can see the water is turning a little bit brownish because of the cloves. Drink it up, guys. You will surprise of the benefit 15 minutes before you go to bed at night. Okay, don't be shocked of that benefit, guys, because the benefit is an amazing, very powerful, and effective, where yeah, you guys will just enjoy it and relax with the full 100% benefit of using this right here. Yes, something totally different. So let me know what you guys think about this full benefit of this recipe. Leave in the comments and let me know. All right, a good vibes. So what we're gonna do next now is take it off the heat. Okay, we take it off the heat. It's simple. Look how it looks simple. But you will shock of the benefit what it's gonna do for you when you drink this before you go to your bed at night. You're gonna be like, wow, how comes I wasn't drinking this so long, Chef Ricardo? Why I only just now? But as I say, you know what I mean, nothing ever done before the time. You know? Yeah. Now is the right time for you guys to come and get access to good recipe. A good vibes. Let's pour it off. Okay. Excellent. Lovely. What a beautiful cup of tea. Number one recipe. This is the number one recipe from Chef Ricardo to you guys. Okay. All right. We're not gonna keep you guys up too long. Remember, you can get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available to every one of you guys to get yourself a copy of the book. Okay. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Now, the recipe, I'm going to put it in the community where you guys can see all of that 3 ingredients which I just used, and you guys can also give it a try at home. Enjoy the recipe, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And thank you so much for watching this evening. Big up every one of you guys who take the time out to come and even have a look. Really appreciate it. Love Jesus. Thank you so much. Here's to them, every one of you guys who supporting the program. It's all about supporting one another in many different kind of ways, as much as we can, but many different kind of ways. The most important ways in your whole entire life is your health. All right, and now that you are well in Jesus, no one else. Okay, yeah, so that's where we are at the moment. Thank you so much for this evening. And you want to just don't put any honey, no sugar, no sweetener, no honey. Drink it naturally and get that 100% benefit from this. 15 minutes before you go to bed or in the morning on an empty stomach. You're frightened to see the whole benefit we will be getting from this. Good news for many of you guys tonight. Enjoy this beautiful cup of tea and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great Tuesday evening or Tuesday morning.